So here we are with a new video. In this video we are going to show you how to change the voice of Google Assistant. Tap on the three dot menu or this button and then go to settings. Tap preferences here, and you will get the assistant voice. You can change into voice 1 or the voice 2. Voice 1 is the female one.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
And voice 2 is for the male one.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
That doesn't make any difference, but if you're fascinated with the voice, you can change it. So that's it for today. Subscribe and share this video.